ka University of Science and Technology USTM ribhoi Meghalaya klaprin khre bagan polong ya ka One Northeast Music Festival kaban rakhiru ya ka jinge e ka jingsuk bar ka jinge long kawai kaban sapolong ha gasngi sedang ya kani ka jaka ajingkai kata ha ka laifau tarik November arajar sau ya kata masa on Pynshongshit da ka jinge wan lang ki pratili ki kinhon tem na ki ban ba prepare na ka than Northeast jongkari India but ya kani kata masa on penyat da ka Majaw even network shlong Ryngkat ke jinglam nantilang uklur ruai pop rock bapau nam ke jela uba lu Majaw kata masa labu thong ru ban pen priang ya ke khubor ke bakhlan kata ke jingelong Tylli bat ke jingelong kawai ki kinhon ki banwan ban Pynshongshit agani gesngi ki kinthop ya ka the eternal triangle na Assam Teki na Arunachal Pradesh even flow na ke jela Mizoram roll heads na Sikkim Ruben Meshangwa na Manipur Asino Metha na Nagaland Pillow Records na Tripura Nangta uba Lu Majaw bat ka Electric Garden na Gejala Meghalaya ka por na banta kani kata masa kan sedang nadu ka por sau buji janmit hap lau jang ka USTM bala khol aware ya giru it music beneshim menta ha kani kesngi
Set your soul on fire. Set your soul on fire. Come on, come on, come on. Set your soul.
Hello friends, welcome to a very, very, very special program to be held at the USTM for a music concert built as the One Northeast Music Festival. There'll be 8 bands from all the 8 states of Northeast.
We are Pillar Records and we are thrilled to say that we will be performing on 30th of this November. So get ready to rock.
Hey, what's up everyone? This is Nitesh Subba from the band Roll Hits Gangtok Sikkim, and we are coming to your place to be a part of One Northeast Music Festival, and I hope to have a good time with you all because we got a whole lot of rock and roll music for you.
Dear USTM community, we are the Eternal Triangle from Assam. We'll be performing at your university on the 30th of November. Join us for an unforgettable musical evening. See you all.
Hi USTM members, I am Asino Metha and I'm thrilled to announce that I'll be performing live for the One Northeast Music Festival.
Changes, there's me feelings start to touch me, dreaming about you every day.
Winter is here, the best time to go to a concert, and that is why I'm here to tell you that I will be performing live at the One Northeast Music Festival. That's going to happen on 30th November. The venue is USTM campus. So get ready to rock the night together, and I'll be waiting to see you there.
Hello there, USTM community. This is Guru Band Shangru. I'm so excited to be performing for USTM community. Mark your calendar 30th November. See you there.
So be there for a happy and rocking good time.